Virtual Hazard Field Trip. In our Virtual Hazard Field Trip, we'll be talking about floods, fault lines, and hurricanes. To start this virtual tour, we need to head to sunny California. But everyone who lives in California knows that when it rains, it pours. That is a perfect saying for what we're going to talk about next, which is floods. The first flood we will be talking about is known as the Great Flood of 1862, which happened in Oregon. And ended in Nevada. Now, as you can see, this red line shows the distance. The distance between Oregon and Nevada is 411.12 miles. This flood is known as the Great Flood because it happened in December 1861 and ended January 1862. Only a month, but still, it flooded a lot and killed and damaged a lot of people and places. Our next flood is the St. Francis Dam, which happened in the middle of the night, and according to Abraham Hoffman, the flood killed an estimate of 450 people. And as you can see as I zoom in, this dam is close to a road. Mountains, obviously, but it's also close to a road. There. Our next stop, we'll be talking about a fault line. The famous fault line is the San Andreas, which starts off in Salton Sea, California, and ends in San Francisco. And as you can see, this has a red line as well, just to show the distance between San Francisco and the sea, which is 1,200 kilometers. In 1895, this fault line was actually founded by UC Berkeley professor Andrew Lawson. The last known earthquake from San Francisco to Salton Sea was in 1960, which was a 7.8 earthquake and killed about 300 people. Our last stop for our field trip is hurricanes, which we're going to go to beautiful Texas. Like they say about Texas, everything's big in Texas, so hurricanes are no exception. The biggest hurricane in Texas is called the Great Galveston Storm, which happened in 1900 on September 8th. It was a Category 4 storm that killed 6,000 to 12,000 people. Hurricanes are required warm ocean water and high winds, which causes big gust clouds, which form the hurricane. So, I hope you enjoyed our group's virtual tour on floods, the fault